Hello, I'm Katie Jerram Hunnable. I'm Renwick Sons Showing Ambassador. I'm here today to talk you through using the kit. So we talk about it. We have these lovely double-ended, the antibacterial end, and we have the long, like swishy ends that don't break the comb, which is really important, with little nibbles on the end, so it combs in, combs out. Whilst combing the tail, I'm very, very careful even so. I work from the bottom and work all the way up. So I'd also use this on the mane, combing it through, getting the dead hair out every day, but then finishing it off. I like to pop this in water and lay the mane on the correct side so it lays correctly every day. The brush is anti-static and also antibacterial, which is fantastic for horses that have itchy conditions or conditions that they need that. But most of all, it's important. A brush, to me, antibacterial is the way forward.